Dacia Sandero, some 1.5 DCI, started hard starting. Must starter go and is just after starting. And we was thinking what could be problem, what could be reason, why is not starting, no fault codes, nothing. And after we found this one. This one was little bit sweaty, like, but not leaking, nothing, just little sweaty. Now I not found this old one, but it was when we took it out was broken, like cracked here, just in down, and it's not see. And after we change this one, finish. Car is starting like from half turn. So if you have something like this, hard starting, you must check if this one little bit have sweating, some looks like not dry, it is broken and it's catching air and system is not have air and is not starting. Renault 1.5 DCI Dacia. See you next time.